Hey there, welcome to our YouTube channel on Tech, and in this video we discuss about how to get 5G internet access on your laptop. So for getting 5G internet on your laptop, you can use your smartphone with have a speed of 5G internet as a hotspot or a satellite internet terminal. So there, what's you know about to get 5G internet on the laptop? If you have a 5G or the 4G card chipset installed on your laptop, all you need to do is sign up for the mobile broadband services. And number 3, in the second point, plug in an external 5G or 4G USB modem. This is different from the laptops and the PCs and other stocks, or connect a wireless to a mobile hotspot. The third and the final point, install a threading app on your phone so that your laptop can share with your phone your mobile data. This article explains how to get 5G internet access at your laptop. Also, there both in the 5G or 4G mobile broadband. Most of the latest laptops, notebooks and tablets offer a mobile broadband options where you can have a 5G or a 4G card or a chipset built into the laptops. When you order it for an additional cost, you shall have and you will have to choose a mobile broadband service, but often you will be able to select the wireless services provider. Some benefits and some pros of the 5G: convenience of having a mobile wireless connectivity already set up as soon as you get your laptop. No need to install your mobiles on your broadband devices. Less obstructive than a USB with a 5G in 5th generations or 4G, that means the 4th generation's laptop stick. Here's some cons: not transferable to the other laptops or the devices. So there, this is amazing. We know as what is the 5G and the 4G laptop stick. Forget a 5G internet on your laptop with the speed of highly recommended at the minimum 4G. You know about a stick we discussed about at the above in the para. If you do not already have a mobile phone broadband card built in or want a separate device that you can use the more than one of the laptops at the 5G USB modem. The cable is the laptop stick or the mobile modem is easy to install. It's plugged and play like most USB sticks. You can buy the laptop, the sticks and sign up for the mobile broadband plan directly from the wireless provider or the retailer like Best Buy. Yeah, these are some pros of this. Is also you can easily highly recommend it for the generations of the 6 systems. The pros can be used at different devices, such as switched from one laptop to another laptop. Some laptops sticks also functions as a flash devices for portable storage and other useful pros. This is purpose. Some cons of this is sticks out of your laptop's USB ports, easy to misplace or lose. If any stick loose from the laptop sticks, this may you reconnect your internet again and again. The signals dropped and your workflow disturbed. you will not fluently your work, and the accuracy and the speed of your working be decrease day to day and enhance. So there, I hope you get a kind information from our video. So connect with the OnTech to get more videos about the internet's technologies and also the related studies. Thanks for watching OnTech.